What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best natural light alarm clock of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Philips Smartsleep Natural Light Alarm Clock. Philips have been making light bulbs for over a century and in recent years have pivoted towards health tech, this wake-up light being where the two overlap. It's one of the few sunrise alarms apart from Lumie to have been scientifically tested and proven to work. 92% of users in their study found it made getting out of bed easier. The first thing that strikes you is its resemblance to an old Apple Mac. It is smaller than the Lumie's but still fairly chunky, at 15 cm deep and 20 cm wide. Philips' version of wake-up light begins red and over the course of 40 minutes turns bright yellow, rising through 20 levels of brightness. Most sunrise alarms only have 10. At its brightest, it's slightly less convincing as daylight than the Lumie, but it did wake me up in a good mood. It has half as many wake-up sounds as the Lumie's, but they're all pleasant, and I like the two nighttime features. The clock automatically dims when the room is dark, and you can tap the unit twice on the top for a dim midnight light to help you move around at night without disturbing your other half. Not that telegraph readers would ever have to do that. Number 2. Philips Smartsleep Wake-Up Light Alarm Clock. The Philips Smartsleep Connected is a relatively large sunrise lamp that resembles a glowing donut. It's controlled almost entirely from an app, available for iOS or Android, that allows you to customize wind down and wake up profiles with your preferred sound, light intensity, and duration. I found it intuitive to use. The stunning sunset simulation was my favorite feature. The brightness gradually decreases from beautiful hues of bright yellows to soft reds over the course of 5 to 60 minutes. This is accompanied by your choice of 4 natural relaxing sounds, or FM radio, that fade away with the sunset. I've used the Philips Smartsleep Connected for months and love waking up to summer birds and an island red sunrise with warm red and orange lights distributed nicely throughout the bedroom. The combination made me feel like I was on vacation. The device tracks your sleep habits and lets you know if your bedroom is too hot, humid, bright, or loud for optimal sleep. Other features include guided meditations, a night light, backup battery, USB charging dock, an AUX cord to play music from your phone, and a reading light. Unfortunately, you can't connect via Bluetooth. Number 3. Hatch Restore Light Alarm Clock. The Hatch Restore Sunrise Alarm Clock connects via Bluetooth to your phone, and using the app, available for iOS and Android, you can set your personalized bedtime routine and more than 18 alarms. Setting up the Hatch is easy using the online instructions. There are countless features, including a bedside reading light, guided meditations, sleep stories, wind down profiles, and sleep routines, all of which are fully customizable. It has more than 30 soothing sleep sounds and many more light therapy options than any other product we tried. There are nighttime shades, warm oranges, and soft relaxing pastels, which I loved while listening to meditations. What's great about the Hatch is that users can fully personalize every part of their sleep schedule according to their preferences. You can add up to 10 steps to your wind down routine. My routine consisted of 3 simple steps. First, I got into bed and read my book using the Coral nighttime light for 30 minutes while listening to the sea wind sound. Then I wound down with a soft pink light and the meeting sleep with ease meditation. Finally, I fell asleep to an orange light and the sound of rain. You can also set how long each step is. The Hatch is well designed with a nice half-moon shape that simulates a natural sunrise, and, at 7.5 inches long, it didn't take up much room. 2 other negatives are the device usually takes a few seconds to connect when you open the app, and it doesn't play music or radio. Number 4. Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 Alarm Clock. This alarm is on the more expensive side, but with good reason. The Bodyclock Shine 300 is a fully featured light alarm from Lumie. It offers granular control over your wake-up and bedtime routines, with a mixture of sounds and light settings at your disposal. It has mixed LEDs that shine combinations of white, orange and red to create a realistic sunlight effect that isn't too blinding and can increase and decrease gradually over 15 to 90 minutes, at up to 20 different light levels. While it's primarily sold as a wake-up alarm, it's also medically certified for light therapy purposes. If you've been diagnosed with SAD, you'll probably still want a dedicated SAD light box, but a light alarm is a handy complement to it, giving you an energy boost when you might need it the most. We opted for the maximum brightness scale over 30 minutes and found we woke up naturally. However, you can set the alarm at the end of that time period if you don't trust you'll wake up using the light alone. The alarm can be set to beep or use one of the preset sounds including a steam train, unusual, ping pong, also odd, waves, more conventional, or the inbuilt FM radio. Annoyingly, if you turn it off at the mains, all the settings reset to factory, and the buttons on the unit mean it's fiddly to set up. However, once it's up and running, it's an excellent product. Number 5. Lumie Bodyclock Rise 100. It seems unfair to pick Lumie again, but both the body clocks above are fairly costly. This is their original wake-up light clock. Like other budget alarms, it brightens in 10 gradual stages over half an hour, but the Lumie Sunrise also offers colored mood lighting, which I tend to put on as soon as I get home to make the bedroom feel cozier. I like the small choice of wake-up sounds, my favorite being birdsong. You can also choose purring kittens or a classic alarm beep. Also in its favor are its small size, stable base and easily found snooze button. Some competitors require finger taps on areas that are hard to find at 6 a.m. There's no radio or Bluetooth, but this is a far gentler way to wake up than an old-fashioned alarm clock and, at this price, well worth a punt if you're sunrise curious. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.